Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to download apps on Element Xumo TV, App Store access and install workarounds. You cannot download apps or access an app store on an Element Xumo TV because the Xumo OS is a closed platform without any application marketplace. The TV relies entirely on its pre-installed library of over 250 apps, which are managed and updated automatically by Xumo. Because the operating system is locked down, traditional workarounds like side-loading APK files, common on Android, Google TVs, or jailbreaking are not possible. Method 1. HDMI streaming device workaround. Recommended. An Amazon Fire TV stick, Roku streaming stick, or Google TV streamer is needed. Then plug the device into an open HDMI port on the back of your Element TV and press the input button on your Xumo remote. Switch to HDMI input and use the external device's App Store. Google Play, Amazon App Store, or Roku Channel Store to download any app you want. Method 2. Mobile video casting workaround. You can use your smartphone, tablet, or computer to open the missing app and beam the video signal directly to the TV screen. For Android and Windows devices, Chromecast, Miracast. Press the home button on your Zoom remote and go to Settings, then select Privacy and navigate to Mobile Video Casting. Ensure this setting is toggled to on and connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. Now open your streaming app on your phone, tap the cast icon, and select your Element Xumo TV. For Apple devices AirPlay, go to Settings on your Xumo TV and select Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. Turn AirPlay on. Now open the control center on your iPhone or iPad, tap Screen Mirroring, and select your TV. Method 3. Web Browser Workaround. Press the mic button on your remote or go to the search bar. Then type or say the name of a specific web video or creator. The TV will search integrated web video platforms like YouTube or specific free ad supported networks to play the content directly without needing a standalone app. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.